I'm Paul Moses of the Moses Law Firm. I'd like to spend a few minutes with you today discussing the 3 things you should not do when contemplating a divorce. The first thing is do not rely on the advice and counsel of friends, colleagues, relatives, or anybody else who's gone through a divorce before you. Their circumstances were much, much different than yours. Although the facts might be the same, married, with children or without children, property, businesses, cars, bank accounts, and so forth. Believe me, everybody's situation is different. So do not rely on their advice to set your expectations about your or your children's future. The second thing you shouldn't do in contemplating a divorce is for one split second think you can effectively or successfully do it on your own. The state of Florida is unique in this type of a situation in that it makes all of the family law forms available online. Family law practitioners like myself are of the opinion that having those forms online makes it seem a lot easier than it really is. In fact, I tell clients that after you're done looking at the online Florida family law firms, look up how to do your brain surgery at the same time. You'll find that the result will be almost identical. When you look at the Florida forms online, use them only as a guide perhaps in understanding some of the issues at play in a family law case. But for your own benefit and the benefit of your kids as well, don't download them, print them, fill them out, and hope that you're going to have a good outcome. They're there as a guide, not as a tool for you to try to wield yourself. The third thing that you don't want to do if you are contemplating a divorce is take a chance on the attorney that you hire. There are attorneys out there, of course, that practice just about everything, and family law too. When contemplating a divorce, you want to hire a divorce lawyer. And it's easy to tell the difference between a divorce lawyer and just a lawyer. Ask the attorney you are contemplating hiring what percentage of their cases last year were family law cases. At the Moses Law Firm, that's an easy question to answer because family law is all we do. We do not practice bankruptcy or foreclosure or criminal or real estate or any other type of law at the Moses Law Firm. Family law is all we do. So when making a decision on which attorney to take you through your divorce, make sure you hire someone who does family law as their primary focus, not just as an afterthought depending on what the client in front of them is asking. These 3 things are general ideas that you want to keep in mind when contemplating a divorce. Recognize that your situation will be different and that there will be specific questions that you may have and therefore may want to meet with an attorney at the Moses Law Firm. If you have questions, please give us a call at 407-87-LEGAL.